Jai Shani dear friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel and I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. In this video, we will discuss the detailed analysis of Aries Ascendant for the month of November 2021, and people who want to learn Vedic astrology, my videos will be very helpful to them as well, as I will try to explain you how I have given predictions. There are different sections in this video. In these different sections, we will discuss the impact of planetary transits during the month of November on your career, on your family life, on your health, on your finances, on your romance life, and finally at the end of this video we will discuss the best remedies which will help you during the month of November. So if number 1 is written in the first house of your birth chart and LA, which stands for Lagna or Ascendant, is also written in the same house as you can see here in this particular birth chart, then this monthly birth chart analysis report November 2021 is for you. For other ascendants or Lagna prediction for the month of November, you can watch my other videos. During the month of November, there is very important planetary transit of Sun, which is very important this month, as Sun conjunction will be there in the 8th house of birth chart, due to which Grahan dosha will be formed in the 8th house of birth chart. So what will be its impact on your health, on your finances, on your family life? We will be discussing all this in this particular video. So let's move forward and first discuss about your career for the month of November. Period from 1st to 16th of November, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Jupiter is in the 11th house, Saturn is there in the 10th house, Rahu is in the 2nd house, Ketu is there in the 8th house, Mars, Sun and Mercury conjunction is there in the 7th house of birth chart, and Venus is in the 9th house of birth chart, as you can see here. So let's move forward and discuss what will be the impact of these planets on your career. During this period, Sun, Mercury and Mars conjunction is there in the 7th house, and during this period, 3 fiery planets which are very fiery in nature are in the 7th house. Aspect of these planets will be on the 1st house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. Due to this, you may face unstable mind. Your decision making power may reduce. Conjunction of Mars and Sun in the 7th house may make you little rigid in nature, due to which you will ignore other suggestions. Due to such type of behavior, it will impact your partnership business a lot in a negative manner. It will increase the clashes with your partners. Conjunction of Mars and Sun in the 7th house may impact the health of your life partner as well. There are also possibilities that you may get job somewhere away from your birthplace. You may get transfer in your job. There are chances that your travel in your job or business may increase during this particular period. Sun and Mars aspect will be on the 1st house, due to which you may start reacting on small issues of life, due to which there are chances that your mental stress at your workplace may also increase. Due to this, your image also get impacted in a negative manner at your workplace. Try to keep yourself away from any sort of arguments, otherwise this period may also put you in some legal issues. Try not to take any sort of decision related to your job or business out of anger. That will create mental stress to you in the coming future. People who are into government job has to be very careful, as this period may create some mental stress in their job. Try to keep yourself away from any sort of situation which may create some mental stress to you. That will be better for you. People who are into partnership business have to be careful here. Your mental stress in partnership business may increase. Your relation with your partners may also get impacted in a negative manner, as we have discussed. What will be the impact of this on your family life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. Due to the aspect of Mars on the 10th house of birth chart, which is the exalted sign of Mars, you may get some positive results related to your job or business. If you are searching job and you are not getting those fruitful results, then during this period there are chances that you will get the job. During this period, Venus is placed in the 9th house of birth chart. That means the house of luck, due to which if you are into media, then you may get some very positive results. If you are doing any business with the help of social media, then this period will give you very positive results. If you are doing any online business, then this period will give you very favorable results. You will be getting some unexpected gains in such business. There are chances that your travel related to your job or business will increase. There are chances that you will have good benefits due to these travel. During this period, your luck will also favor you. Your self-confidence will increase. If you are running any business in association with your younger brother and sister, then this period will give you very favorable results in that as well. During the current period, Saturn is in the 10th house of birth chart, due to which Shash Panch Mahapurush Yoga is formed in your birth chart. Such period comes once in 30 years of your life. So this period is very important period for you. During the current period, you will see expansion in your work. You will start getting good opportunities. If you will get even a small opportunity during this period, then don't avoid that opportunity, as even a small opportunity will change your entire life during the coming period. The next 5 months of your life is very important in terms of your career. There are chances that if you are into business or even job, then your workload will increase too much, that if you keep working for 24 hours per day, then also you will find it difficult to complete that work. You have to utilize this period with 100% of your efforts to get best results of this yoga. During the current period, Jupiter is in the 11th house of birth chart, from where Jupiter aspect will be there on the 5th house, 3rd house and 7th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. Due to which you will feel a sort of stability in your thinking process. During the past few months, if you are unable to focus or concentrate on a single task and multiple things were moving in your mind, then this period will give some stable mind. If you are running any business with your younger brother and sister, then this period will give you better results in such business. You will see a stable growth in such business in the coming period. If you are facing problems related to your self-confidence, and due to lack of self-confidence you are unable to take your project further, then this period will boost your self-confidence and you will start taking your project in a positive manner and in a positive direction. Rahu is there in the 2nd house of birth chart, due to which you have to keep control on your words, what you speak. If you are running any family business, then you will face some trouble in that. It will be difficult for you to get those results what you will expect during this period, due to which your mental stress may increase a bit related to such business. What will be the impact of this on your health? We will be discussing this in our health related section later in this video. Period from 17th to 21st of November, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Sun transit will be in the 8th house of birth chart from 7th house, where Ketu is there. So during this period, Sun and Ketu conjunction is there in the 8th house, where Rahu aspect will also be there, due to which Grahan dosha will be formed in your birth chart. There will be positive and negative impact of this Grahan dosha on different aspect of life, which we are going to discuss here. There are chances of some unexpected financial gains in your business, in your job, or any sort of project which you are not expecting. If you are into share trading, if you are into research work, if you are into software development, then you will be getting some unexpected financial gains, unexpected positive results. You may face some unexpected positive results from somewhere from where you have lost all the hopes. On the other hand, there are also chances that you will face some mental stress related to your job or business. If any of your paperwork got stuck in any government office, then this period will create little more stress to you. There are chances that you may face challenges to maintain your social image. There are also chances that you may face some fraud from your partners in your business, especially in family business. There are chances that you may face some hindrances in your job during this particular period. If your promotion is due, then there are chances that it will get delayed. If you are into government job, then you have to keep yourself away from any sort of situation which may put you in any sort of legal issue. So beware of that. Placement of Sun in the 8th house and making Grahan Dosha will impact your health and family life, which we will discuss in our health related section and family related section later in this video. Period from 22nd to 30th of November, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period Mercury will transit from the 7th house to the 8th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of this chart, and Mercury is the lord of the 6th house, due to which there are chances that you may get rid of some sort of problem which you are facing for a long time. For example, if you have started any business and you are not getting results in that, due to which you are unable to manage your finances, then during this period you will see sudden growth in such business. You will see profit in such business. Such a scenario may happen during this particular period, but you have to face negative impact in other aspect of life here due to this transit of Mercury. If you drive any vehicle, if you go to gym, if you are into sports, then you have to be very careful, as there are chances of some minor accident may happen during this period. So be careful. There are chances that your workload in your job or business may increase exponentially, due to which you may face huge mental stress which may impact your health as well. So that was all about your career during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of November. Period after 17th of November, you may face some issues related to your lower abdomen area. If you have some problems related to your gastrointestinal tract, then this period may create more trouble to you. So avoid taking food from outside or avoid eating spicy food during this period. Also, if you have medical history of depression, migraine, then be careful. This period is not so favorable for your disease like this. Better to keep doing meditation, that will be beneficial for you. Try not to avoid any small symptoms of disease during this period. That will be better for you. Females who are pregnant have to be very careful during this period. Try to avoid lifting heavy weights or try not to do any sort of activity which may create health related issues to you. Period from 6th to 7th of November and 19th to 20th of November is not so favorable for your health. You may face uneasiness, you may face trouble related to your sleep during this particular period. You may also face some issues in the lower abdomen area during this particular period. So that was all about your health during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during the month of November. This month will be very favorable for your finances. It will be positive for your finances. You will see huge financial gains which will be sudden in nature. After 17th of November, your expense will also increase suddenly during this period, and these expenses will be more on your health. So better to keep good care of your health. Period from 8th to 9th of November, you may get some unexpected financial gains. If you are doing any online business, if you are into share trading, if you have invested somewhere in the past, then in such cases there are chances of getting some unexpected financial gains. Period from 6th to 7th of November, your expenses may increase. Avoid doing any expense which is not very important for you during this particular period. Otherwise, this period may give you some mental stress to you. So that was all about your finances for the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your romance life during the month of November. If you are single, then during the period 8th to 11th of November, you may fall into relationship, you may fall in love. If you are into relationship, then the current month is not so favorable for your relationship. You may face challenges to maintain healthy relationship. Problems related to your relationship matters may increase. Here you may face mental stress in relationship. This may be due to any compatibility issues. Better to keep calm and avoid any sort of situation which may create misunderstanding with your partner. Try to be a little flexible. Try to give importance to your partner. Try not to react on those small issues which can be avoided. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress to you. Period after 21st of November, your mental stress related to your relationship matters will reduce. It will be a favorable period for your relationship. Your bonding will improve. All your stress related to your relationship issues will start reducing here. So that was all about your romance life during the month of November. And let's move forward and discuss about your family life during the month of November. Month of November is not so favorable period for your married life. You have to keep control on yourself. Try not to react on small issues which can be avoided. It will be difficult for you to control on your anger here. This period will be a test of your self-discipline, self-control. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress in your married life. It will be difficult for you to manage your work-life balance during this particular period. You may start reacting on small issues. You will avoid taking any suggestion from your partner, due to which your mental stress related to your family life will increase. Chances of conflict will increase, chances of misunderstanding will increase. Try to maintain work-life balance and give some time to your family life as well. Period after 17th of November, your stress related to your father may increase. This stress may be due to some property related issues, may be due to some health related issues of your father, or maybe some family issues. During this month, your relation with your younger brother and sister will improve. Your bonding with your younger brother and sister will be more stronger. So that was all about your family life during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that will be beneficial for you. You should wear red and saffron color clothes mostly in your routine life. You should also wake up early in the morning before sunrise and see rising sun with naked eyes. It would fill you with great positive energy and zeal. Donate medicine in a charitable hospital or any needy person once in a week, especially on Tuesday. Do physical exercise daily and do meditation for at least 20 minutes daily. Donate red lentils on every Tuesday. So these were the best remedies which you have to follow during the month of November and will be beneficial for you. So that was all about the Aries Ascendant for the month of November 2021. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.